we drove around highways and do some parking. This kind of driving lesson makes me wants to have my own car someday. She's vlogging! Hey guys, welcome to our day 7, and tomorrow that's our evaluation, and we are going to pass that evaluation so that we can have a certification for the PDC and so that we can apply for non-proof driver's license next week. So hopefully I am so excited. And also, I am so excited to have my own car and drive my own car, which is this kind of driving lesson makes me wants to have my own car someday, which is I really want. Hopefully so soon. And right here, my dad was driving, trying to practice with parking. I did earlier and it was good. She's vlogging! I just wish we can take a video of all the driving we did, but unfortunately some of the cars doesn't have a mounted camera, so right now we are trying to do it outside. And sometimes my sister's trying to hold the camera. I highly recommend MJ8 if you want to try driving lesson to have a driver's license. Try to visit MG8 at Swan Village, Bulod, in Tubod. And also, you can ask for discounts if you are going to pay package of driving lesson, theoretical and practical. Yes, they will give you a discount also. CC, so how's your driving lesson?
A little bit nervous, but we are okay.
Yes, it's a bit nervous actually. At first, we drove around highways and do some parking. So yeah, it's fun though. I like it.
Sisi, ako na po.
What?
How's your
This is so white. This is so dark.
Istorya ba? Grabe ka.
So I'm going to film tomorrow during our evaluation. Let's see who is our teacher that time, because our teacher right now told us that we have different teacher during evaluation. So it's kinda nervous also because we are not used to that teacher. So hopefully everything goes well and we are going to pass this practical driving lesson.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted and blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for crazy for love. Crazy for love. Whenever lost, whenever down, you know what to do, to do. There's no mountain I won't climb to be right by your side.
Hey guys, welcome to our last day of driving lesson. So right now we are here to do some evaluation. So right here my dad is doing the first lesson or the first evaluation. So my dad's driving. Hi Cece, how's the feeling?
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you, like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted and blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking.
So, hey guys, this is our second set of our evaluation. So, we transfer here in Agora. And we are going to park in this tiny parking space right here between the orange line and then with this white line. I mean, this space right here is smaller than the first parking we did earlier. And also this tiny parking space. As you can see, the difference between this orange and this, this one. So as usual, my father will be the first one to try. Hopefully we can get some info or some ideas from him. Hey guys, we are done with our evaluation right now. We drive in the main highways where there's a lot of trucks, tricycle, and motorbikes. And also we did parking in the first area and also in the second area where there are a lot of parking space, like this one right there. Yeah, there's a lot of parking space. You can see this area. Thank you so much, sir. Hey guys, we passed with our evaluation. There are some, like for example me, I failed in the area where you are going to signal light 30 meters away. So I need to improve that kind of signal something. And then next, I need to improve my parallel parking, which is I failed also. I have 2 fails. Sis, how's your driving?
It's okay. I felt in parallel also.
We did it. Congratulations. So hey guys, welcome to our finale of our driving lesson test and also the getting our driver's license. So right now I have here my driver's license. Wow, non-professional. So it took me about 1 month and a half probably, because no, I think it's only 2 weeks. The first week, 3 days of assessment, and then after that we got our certification the Friday, assessment day Monday to Wednesday, and then we get our certification at Friday. And after a week, we enrolled for driving practical tests with driving and everything we need to do. So the practical driving test took us 2 weeks because per day we only have 1 hour. So that was like 2 weeks of practical driving. After that, we got our certification the next Saturday. And then after that, we went to LTO to apply for non-proof driver's license. So I got my license the same day of my application, which is took us only half day, because if you want early, then they will serve you faster because not a lot of people on the line. So better to go early. And I think for the price, for the assessment, I spent 2,800 pesos, and then you get a discount for 300 pesos. That's like 2,500. And for the practical driving test, I spent 4,800. That's manual and automatic. They teach us manual and automatic. Next, I spent for LTO about 1,000 pesos per person for the processing and also for this plastic driver's license. Yes, I'm so happy that I have a driver's license right now. So thank you so much. Shout out to MG8 if you want to go to school, like driving lesson. Out of this moment, you have to go to school before you get driver's license, professional and non-professional, because they required you to have certification of driving lesson, practical driving lesson, and also theoretical certification. So thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe for more videos. Bye! Thank you!
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.